Money at for Mavibia, Aquaba Beam about Attention TV. A junior couple boy in a who by attention after 4. Ya send shame will have you. A queen trying to match Yamede and send Papa Bua Ponso send your Bunima. Echo so ever Ghana mem.
On Monday, Dr. Lawrence Tetteh Ekotna Kingdom FM. And then say, baby, I got time, Miniane, the host to show na FIFI. But however, Bia say, any PBI or Madrid say, Sabi, Ombefa Kwaku Munia, even in this industry. But when it comes to something, they can, unquote, conspire with whoever and say, no, let's do it this way. Kwakumi, I don't hold anybody grudge. Because, you missing Jane, Muamoshe program way, say, 2 weeks ago, Mubakai said, may issue 24-hour ultimatum. I'm also for an DPM. I'm prepared to hand over my pen out. Because my job is my pen and the microphone. But I don't recall ever say Yama also for be 24-hour ewa. But a copiemu was said 24-hour ultimatum BAP. Where? And I dare anybody, including Lawrence Tetteh, looking at me in the camera. My dare anybody bring that 24-hour ultimatum purported say we stated or we issued on this platform. Okoya could di attempt use word me to say stop it. Osofo, me the minimum. But that I can say so. Oyo Osofo no. He went further to use words like stupid. Then Osan Koso Erane commentary. Commentary no, it's in quotation mark. And I may I say we've captured everything. He went on to run commentary like quote. People who are not mentally not fit, but yet they dress nicely and walk around, the nonsense must stop, unquote. Let's just say, in Nipebia, Sabi, what Madrid I saw me about down for. Now, so Mutumi Shantaria come and said, Yama betre. Madrid in any edgema, damn namabo. That's what he's trying to describe me. But may I say respectfully, Lawrence, I'm not a mad guy. I don't drink hard liquor. I don't smoke. I don't take marijuana. And so there are lots of people fire for some strange reasons. When we now about joining to Kowe on the wrong note. As if some person be into command. Why must you obi se kumchacha? Minim da na meka say in my wildest imagination. Niko how? Dientia nanso. Why no who patako jeko baobo obegin to kwana kwan eden medwuma no wedwuma ba me kwana menye medwuma. Why must you come and fight me on that note? How? Reverend Lawrence, I don't want to add the reverence, but Dr. Lawrence Tetteh episode running a deal with like a personal kind of fight. But I know say ni personal fight and he wants to make it like a personal thing. But me Kwaku amitihe seboba me one person you can't issue a threat on my life, so you dare not even use court. Sending lawyers name to Nufua. Sa sorry penny phobia and 2 Lawrence Tetteh for. Or if you bedroom be a bedroom. Now Ajin Semu. You can go to Supreme Court or even the Court of Hague, International Court, and I'll be there. How dare you? Minyini pa won, mi buade pa o, but mi do nyankopon obo so ni asase Ghana. Now president mi so na wo Tetteh na mesro. Succeed in that you do. Say, obe kamia she manu ntimi kan she da mi do nyame. I swear to God, me, what the legal threat. Are you serious? Who is serious? Do you think I'm one of those journalists? You can... Come on. How dare you mention court? And then me. Do you think I'm scared of court? Let me read it. Ever in my journalistic career, I'm proud to say this. The only who succeeded in walking me through the premises of the courtroom was the former Inspector General of Police, David Asantia Petru. Go and ask him what he did. Later, he has to run away. Or say asem no nibio or no pen obey me akachiro. Master, I'm not scared. Me no be am yehufu with court. Oh no, you can't threaten me with court. Na you do what? Asem ye investigations no. The SC can ye beka in the true sense of the spirit of the letter, and that's the Constitution, which you are not above the law. Please stop. The way and one. Minim baby e Kwaku wie. And minim the opese wa achieve. But buhu na mi mu. Untimi wo me but we are me big brother. Straight up.
Because no subscribe on so am my ye da sise wo twen makra.